So, dear students, today consider question number 4 of exercise 8.4 NCERT book Trigonometry class 10. Now, I consider this problem. This is optional problem. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. Number 1, 9 into sec square a minus 9 tan square a. These are the option given 1, 9, 8, 0. And number 2, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cos theta minus cosec theta. These are the options given A, B, C, D. And this number 3, sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. So these are the options given. And number 4 also 1 plus tan square by 1 plus cot square. And these are the options given. Now we want to solve one by one. First we consider number 1. Number 1, solution is third. So in number 1, this is very easy. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. This one given. From these two terms, 9 is common. So 9 common. Then we get sec square a minus tan square a. This one we get. Sec square a minus tan square a. Now we know this formula. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. So this is 9 into 1. Sec square a minus tan square 1. This is 9, our answer. So option B. B equal to 9. B 9. This is our answer. Number 2 we consider. In number 2 we consider this 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. This is our number 2. So 1 plus tan theta, tan means sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta means 1 by cos theta, and cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta means 1 by sin theta we get. So just we write the formula. Tan means sin by cos, sec means 1 by cos, cot means cos by sin, and cosec means 1 by sin. Now from here, taking LCM. LCM is cos theta, and this is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and this one LCM is sin theta, and this is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. We get this one. Now denominator cos theta into sin theta, and numerator we can write cos theta plus sin theta within the bracket plus 1 into, this is first we write cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. We write these two within the bracket. Cos we write first and minus 1 second. So this is, we assume A, this is B. A, B. A plus B, A minus B. We know this formula. A plus B into A minus B. This is the third formula in our life. This is A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. A plus A square minus B square. We assume this is A, 1 is B. This is A, B. So this will be, denominator remains same, cos theta, sin theta, and numerator, this is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. So we get this whole square minus 1 square. And denominator remains same, cos theta, sin theta remains same. Again we know this formula. A plus B whole square, this is the first formula in our life. A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. We get this. So this will be A plus B whole square. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta into sin theta. A square b square twice ab, and this 1 square means 1 we get. So we get this one. Just we expand by using this formula, we get this one. Then denominator remains same, cos theta into sin theta. Cos square plus sin square is 1. 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1. This one. And this one cancel. Then we get cos theta sin theta in denominator, and this 1 cancel, we get 2 cos theta into sin theta. And these two are like term, this is cancel, we get 2. 2 means the option is C. C our option. Therefore, C 2, this is our answer. This one our answer. So now we consider number 3. In 3, this is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sec sin a. So sec means 1 by cos and tan means sin by cos. We get this, and this is 1 minus sin a. So LCM is cos a or LCM, and 1 plus sin a we get in numerator, and this is 1 minus sin a. So again we get a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, we know this formula. A plus b into a minus b, this will be a square minus b square again. So this is a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square again. A plus b, a minus b. So this is cos a and 1 minus sin square. But we know this formula, the superheat formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta, this equal to 1. So this implies cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So we get this, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, or 1 minus sin square means cos square theta. So this will be cos a remains same, 1 minus sin square means cos square a. This 1 cos cancel, so we get cos a our answer. So answer is cos a, cos a. This is our answer, D. D our answer. Therefore, D cos a, this is our answer. Consider number 4. This 4 is 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus cot square a. So this is 4. So 1 plus tan square a, this, and cot means 1 by 10. So we get, this is cot, cot means 1 by 10. So 1 plus tan square a, and taking LCM, this tan square a LCM, this is tan square a plus 1 we get. So this is 1 plus tan square a, and this is tan square a plus 1 into this tan square a becomes in numerator, we get this one. So this is 1 plus tan square plus 1. These two are like terms, this will be cancelled. Answer is tan square a. Now which one answer? The D. D our answer. Therefore, D tan square a, this is our answer. So answer is this one. So dear students, this solution is easy. If this solution is easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.